Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be back testing today, pretty much showing you guys how I work on my strategy every other day and pretty much what I do. We just inverted this right here, made an inversion on the 1 minute. In 1 minute, we also inverted it. This would be a risky entry since it's already 2 o'clock. Market's closed pretty soon. But if we were to take it, we definitely won't have enough time. Let's see, what can we get? It's not really the best, honestly. I'd sit out on this just because of the time, but let's see how it would have done. Yeah, we would have targeted that -2. I would have took it, but I was a little late into the day. I'm just gonna consolidate. There we go, that's the break. We inverted this right here. That's very nice. And we also have another 1 minute fair value gap right here. This is kind of a late entry. Well, very late entry actually. But just for the sake of the video, we'll take it. How are we looking? ES, we also took the high. And we also have that 1 minute getting swept. So it's kind of a late entry. I'm not too crazy about it, but let's see how it plays out. So we hit this -1, very jumpy on the -1, so this might head up. It wasn't that strong of a break, but it looks like we're going to continue down. We're going to see, we actually tapped into that -1. That would usually be my take profit, but this is sell side down here, so I'd like to see it get touched into. Again, we just took out sells with this inversion that just got placed now. Same with this inversion as well right here. We can look to take this trade actually. I wouldn't be too bothered by it. It's not the best stop loss, but we'll go for it. Let's see how this goes. Come down to the 1 minute. We also have an inversion on ES. Do we have an SMT actually? No, we don't. We don't have any SMTs. Let's see how this goes. Bounced off that -1, which not really too promising. Looks like we came back down to tap into it. I want to see a nice break through it, which, yeah, this is going to be hitting stop loss. This is a very strong zone over here. It's because of this fair value gap. This is what's stopping us from breaking down. So let's see. There we go. That's our break. So now we have an inversion as well that got placed. I have a little SMT, but I already got played. Yeah, personally, I'd just get out of this trade. It's too much consolidation for my liking. It's not, yeah, I see. They hit -1. I should have stayed in it. But there was way too much consolidation for me to even consider it. I really don't like choppy markets because it can just reverse on you in a split of a second, and it's just not worth to risk your position on choppy markets like that. So I always try to play it safe and get out. Because at the end of the day, we're here to analyze the market, not to gamble. Side right here. Let's see if we can jump back down because our overall trend is bearish. There we go. That's we're gonna push down. Inversion. Inversion. Same thing on ES. We also kind of have an SMT. I'm not that crazy about it, but here we definitely have an SMT. So that's beautiful. That's just gonna push us down even more. So this is a very solid trade to take right here. So we have break of structure, came back down with 2 inversions. And we also have SMT. So that's very nice. I'll take this. Again, I don't know what's happening with this market, but I keep getting extremely late entries. Just very bad at the timing, I'm supposing. Let's see. Standard deviation of -2. This is where I take partials. Let's see how this goes. I actually didn't even notice this. We have to break. But we broke it on ES, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. We're actually just going to play the chart out. Oh my god, that's insane news. That's extremely news driven. I just absolutely tanked my freaking stop loss. And it's quite late on the day. But do we have anything on the 1 minute? Yes, we do. We do have something on the 1 minute. This is a really late trade again. I keep getting these late trades, which I'm not that big of a fan of. We do have equal lows, so this is definitely going to be our overall draw. Sell side right above, stop loss right above the previous highs. We're definitely going to be coming down, so very late trade, but let's do it. Yeah. Barely any moves. You know what? For the fun of it, just go to next day, see how it goes. Yeah. I ended up inverting this. And also another inversion down here. This would be a very short trade. And markets are dead in the water. I see this come to this -1. Now we're just pushing overnight. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. I just want to do a little trade recap, try to show you guys my overall strategy. As you can see, 80% win rate on 5 trades, lost one of them, which was based on news, but it happens, what can you do? So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. If you want more videos like this, more recaps, or just backtesting, let me know in the comments below, and it'll be my pleasure to make more. drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching to the end.